Good morning, how are you?
Good morning, I am fine.
Do you like gardening?
Yes, I really enjoy it in my free time.
What do you usually grow in your garden?
I grow flowers, vegetables, and some herbs.
That sounds nice and healthy.
Yes, freshly vegetables are very good for health.
Which vegetable is the easiest to grow?
Spinach is very easy and grow quickly.
How often do you water your plants?
I water them every morning.
Do plants need sunlight every day?
Yes, most plants need sunlight to grow well.
I want to start gardening at home.
That's great idea.
What should I do first?
First, choose healthy seeds.
Should I use pots or soil in the ground?
You can use pots if you have less space.
How long does it take for plants to grow?
It depends on the plant type.
Do you use fertilizers?
Yes, organic fertilizer is best.
Is gardening hard for beginners?
No, it becomes easy with practice.
Do you remove weed regularly?
Yes, weeds stops plants from growing properly.
I like roses very much.
Roses need extra care and water.
Gardening makes me feel relaxed.
It does reduce stress.
Do insects damage your plants?
Sometime, but I use natural sprays.
Gardening teaches patience.
Yes, you have to wait for results.
I will start gardening this weekend.
I'm sure you'll enjoy it.
Thank you for the tips.
You are welcome.
I will share my garden pictures with you.
I would love to see them. Please follow my channel. Thank you for watching.